Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try to see if this old Deutz light tower generator is going to run. You can tell this thing been sitting for quite some time. Got plenty of oil in it, and the oil actually looks clean. Let's take a look at the air cleaner, see what that looks like. Oh, it's an oil bath. One more clip in here. Oh yeah, she's full of oil. Alright. Get rid of some of these mud daubers. And there's quite a few in here. Don't know if there's diesel in this tank or not. Whew, smells like diesel. Smells like really old diesel. Now the guy I got this from said it run and put out electricity and everything, but you can tell it ain't been ran in quite some time. So let's get a battery on here, hook it up, make sure we don't have no fires. I got all the breakers off on the power part of the deal, and we'll see if we can't get this thing to spin over. It's the one I was using for all the mowers the other day when I was trying to get them running. Didn't hear no arcing nowhere. I may have to hook the jumper cables up to it. I'm not 100% sure yet. Oh, heard something. Solenoid opening. Wasn't much of a will it run video. He said all the bulbs have been replaced recently. Plenty of electricity going through that. Son of a gun. Well, that's very unsafe. Shut off. Well, that's probably the worst I've ever been shocked with something, and that sucker hurt. Dang. Well, that could be why. Oh, this shit needs to go. All of it. Well, I didn't really have plans on using it as a light tower anyways. I still feel that in my entire freaking arm. Okay, as I was saying, all of this has got to go. I'm going to keep the engine. I'm going to find some kind of project to use it on. I don't know what yet. Oh, that was scary. Really scary. That could have been very bad. That could have stopped somebody's heart. Somebody meaning me. On the day that I finally got 1,000 subscribers, that would suck. Okay, so breakers are off. They're going to stay off. I ain't never turning them on again. And then we're going to work on getting this setup out of here. I'm just going to cut the wires to that generator. I know it puts out electricity. If somebody wants to jack with it, they can. We'll undo the exhaust. We'll pull that whole assembly out as one, and then I'm just going to sell this trailer, fuel tank, the electrical box, everything just like it sits. Somebody wants to buy it for a couple $100, they're welcome to it. They can make some kind of little transport trailer out of it. I mean, it's pretty heavy duty. It's just got these oddball weird tires and wheels. Let's see, hopefully they're not 14. Oh, they're 15s. Well, that's at least that's a plus. Let's take our battery back off. And not ever start this again as long as it's got electricity running to it. The low engine sounds good though. Not bad for something that ain't been running. God only knows when. But as I always say in all my videos, these old diesels, they'll take a beating, and as long as they're all there and complete, they'll usually run. Now, I wouldn't run this one anymore on the diesel that's in that tank because it is very old. Probably doesn't have much lubrication left in it. So, and I don't know what the deal is with the killing, why it don't just outright die. It could be the wiring. It could be that's adjusted too tight, or it's holding throttle. I don't know. But well, no, it can't be. I guess it could, but more than likely it's that fuel solenoid, that shut off. It's probably just sticking and it's not quite shutting all the way. You heard it die on its own, but it took a long time of slowly getting slower and slower until it did. So, well, there you go, guys. I had a feeling this was going to be a pretty easy one since it was diesel. And that one, I don't know. That one's going to be another whole story. But I need to get the covers off and just see how bad everything is as far as electronics wise. The fuel tank, which I'm hoping is still good because they're about $1,000. And if it is, I can get some new lines. I'll have to have new coils, which I think I have, a new engine cover, but I want to see if it'll run. And if the wiring looks good, I want to see if it'll run and weld. Obviously not with these leads, but with some leads. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm so happy y'all got to see me almost get electrocuted. So I'm really not happy. I'm really not happy that I did that. I still feel it in my arm. Anyhow, check out my channel if you hadn't already. Subscribe, like, leave me comments, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Later.